1059 The Region, covering the most important stories of all, yours. Tax Tips Tuesday on 1059 The Region.
With tax season just around the corner, KPMG will be here every Tuesday with Tax Tips Tuesday. To help us get us started, KPMG and Canada's tax partner, Joseph Pagliaro, is here. Welcome to 1059 The Region. Joe, thank you for joining us.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
There's deadlines, there's RSPs. What's the first thing we should start thinking about when we start thinking ahead to tax season, Joe?
Yeah, so although the 21 personal tax filing deadline is a few months away, you should always start thinking about your personal tax situation now. If you don't owe taxes, you will be charged any interest or penalties for late filing. However, you should still file on time to make sure there aren't any interruptions to your benefit payments that are based on information provided on your return. And just a few of these benefits include the Canada Child Benefit, the GST/HST credit, and the Old Age Security. So making sure that you file your return on time is critical, not only for obtaining these benefits, but also getting your tax refund if you are in a refund position.
And I think for a lot of people, Joseph, it's a good reminder to, hey, make sure you have your slips. You don't want to file and forget stuff. Oh, I didn't claim this or I didn't have this. So just be organized and make sure all your slips are together.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. One of the biggest reasons tax seasons can be so overwhelming is the number of pieces of paper you receive in the mail. Most people have no idea what to do with them, and because you only receive them once a year, it's easy to forget what came last year. So my suggestion to everybody is create folders for these pieces of papers that come in and file them away, and ensure that when you compile them, give them to your accountant. So now that we're in the month of February, you're going to start receiving various tax slips like your T4 from your employer, T5 slips from various financial institutions. And if you receive any federal COVID benefits, you're going to have to report those on your income tax return as well. So expect to see a T4A or T4E slip from the Canada Revenue Agency. And you'll have to give this to your accountant so that they can prepare your tax return correctly.
Why is it important to file early?
Yeah, so filing early is critical. So as I mentioned earlier, if you're in a refund position, obviously you want your refund as soon as possible. And if you are claiming certain types of benefits, you want to make sure that those benefits are not stopped. And you don't want to miss out on any benefits. So the Old Age Security, Child Tax Benefit, and your GST/HST credits. Very important.
Excellent. Speaking with Joseph Pagliaro from KPMG for Tax Tips Tuesday. And we also have a lot of questions about the Canada Child Tax Credit. What should we know about that, Joseph?
Yeah, so the most important thing there, it's a credit that's based on family net income. So if you or your spouse or common law partner don't file your income tax return on time, then you're not going to be receiving those benefits. So that's another critical reason why you want to file your tax return as soon as possible, just to make sure there's no interruption in benefits. And again, that you don't miss out on any benefits. Now,
I've heard this question from a lot of friends and family about the CERB, the COVID-19 benefits. Are they taxable?
Oh, definitely they are. So you will be receiving an information slip in the mail from the Canada Revenue Agency with the amount that you received during the year, and you do need to report that in your personal income tax return.
Excellent. Thanks for the tips, Joe. We'll talk again next Tuesday. If you missed any part of Tax Tips Tuesday, go to our Twitter feed at 1059 The Region or kpmg.ca. Thanks, Joe.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Tax Tips Tuesday with KPMG in Canada on 1059 The Region. Access off-air using the TuneIn app or by asking your smart speaker. Play 1059 The Region.